Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your Roblox. So normally whenever you launch a server on Roblox will make sure that you are using the most latest version. So here when I click on play, it will make sure that the version is updated. But if that doesn't work for you, then all you need to do is go to search and then search for apps and programs. Click on add or remove programs and then search for Roblox. Then click on the three dots and then click uninstall. So in the background it has been uninstalled. Now all you need to do is go to roblox.com, click on any server and then click play, and then click download and install Roblox. I hope this method works for you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.